Hey lovelies, guys, now imagine making your lunch very fast, delicious in just 15 minutes. Check out this very nice recipe, guys. You're going to love this rice. So easy, so yummy, and it needs very little ingredients. So yes, I'm going to add in 2 tablespoons of cooking oil, my chopped onions. I saute them nicely, and I add in my garlic and ginger paste for that beautiful aroma. Now you add in your bay leaves and your carrot and ginger. Now my West African friends, don't get me wrong, this is really nice. Yes, it's better than jollof. I don't want to start a war here. So yes, I added in 1.5 teaspoons of salt, some paprika, some cumin, some cinnamon. You can add in some spices. I used very little spices here because yes, I really wanted it to be on a low, the spices. But yes, you can add in your spices. I washed my basmati rice. You can use any rice. I washed my basmati rice and I added it in there. Now I mixed my rice with my ingredients that were already cooking nicely. I wanted to blend them together before I add in water. So I used 1.5 big cups, not measuring cups, but our normal home cups. I used 1.5 cups of basmati rice. So I added in 3 cups of water. So yes, there is my Reiko cube, guys. This adds so much to this sauce. Now for my people who don't have Reiko cubes, I think you can use Maggi. I think I've had Maggi cubes. Yes, they are also very good. So cover and cook this for about 7 to 10 minutes, guys. It's going to be ready, and nice lunch. You're going to love it, stress-free. Hope this doesn't become one of your usuals, because guys, this is so easy and so yummy. So I'm serving up my rice properly, nicely there, and I'm going to spice it up with some avocado. Guys, this is so yummy. Try it out and let me know. Thank you. Ciao.